So hello everyone, my name is Rohit Dang and I'm going to help you understand how you can create multiple recordings with the help of Storyline 360 at the same time. So let me just show you. So first you open one of the instances of Storyline, click on record screen, and now I'm going to select a full screen and start recording. So now I can open up a process that I want to record. Say probably I go to my Windows manager, file manager, and I open up a folder which has an Excel file, and say I want to create a pivot chart. So I'm just doing random steps. Okay. And I also have an application in place which is called as manager. So I think this is enough, and now we can go ahead. So now it's saving. Now what I'll do is press Windows Control D on my keyboard, and this will open up a new desktop for me. Or I could have pressed Windows Tab to see a new desktop. I can create multiple of these desktops, and here I'll open up Storyline again, another instance of Storyline, and now this will allow me to do another recording in this desktop. I can click on record screen and do a new record screen here. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.